Hello. Hey guys, welcome to episode 1. Is this a good setup? Hey guys, welcome to my first episode of Cooking with Crackheads. Don't do drugs, kids. So today I am going to be alone, but usually on this channel I'll have like another person cooking with me. But today on episode 1 we are cooking We're cooking poppin cookin, and it's called Tenoshi Ramen. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and all the directions on the back. I've never done this before, but I got 2 of them, but separate videos. The hamburger is gonna be episode 2, so subscribe and click the bell notification if you want to get notified for the next one that comes out, and I will for sure have that out very soon. So yes, I'm very excited, and I've never done one of these before, so I don't know how it's gonna come out. I don't know if it's supposed to taste like candy or like the actual food, but I'm hoping like candy.
Well, no dip, Sherlock.
I was gonna get the sushi one, but I don't like sushi. I used to watch these YouTube videos when I was younger, and I always wanted to make them, so now I get to, and I hope this is a good angle for you guys. Should I move like a little bit this way? Is that better? I'm going to hope that I can actually do this right. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So step number 1. Wash your hands well and prepare a glass of water. And I hope it comes out good. Let me know if you want more Cooking with Crackhead episodes. Step number 1, make mango pudding. Add water to cup until it is half full. Add powder from orange packet. Orange packet. We're gonna fill this with wet water, half full of water. Now we're going to mix this in there. So I'm gonna leave this right there. It says it will become firm in 10 minutes. Make ramen toppings. Pour water up to line in star tray. Add powder from blue packet. Blue packet?
I didn't even get blue packet.
Oh wait. I'm sorry if it's a horrible angle. Like, I know some people specifically show like this and them making it, but like, should I do that? I don't know. I'm not a pro, okay? So we're gonna put it up to the star. Not like you guys could see what I'm doing, but I'm super excited because my little brother and sister, well, they're like my stepbrother and sister, but still, you know, they're coming, and I really want to do the invisible prank on them and see if they fall for it. Dude, these scissors suck. This smells like candy. I think it is supposed to come out as candy and not actual food. Mix until thick. Seems easy enough. I just realized that my cooking series is called Cooking with Crackheads, and I'm doing a Poppins cookin as the first one. And don't like 10-year-olds watch this. Hey, this kind of looks like rice. If you're a 10-year-old and like, or young, don't do drugs, kids. I don't do drugs. It's just catchy, you know? Cooking with Crackheads. Don't do crack. I think this is supposed to be the rice. It really looks like rice in there. Tear off 2 pieces of the dough and fill the Naruto egg molds. The egg molds? And I don't know how that works because they're like tiny. How do I do this? It's sticky.
That's what she said.
I just filled the molds. As you can see, there are those little things right there. Remove. Already? Okay. This is hard. How am I supposed to remove them? Oh my god. Oh, don't mess up. Please don't mess up. I'm just gonna clean it up and then I'll show you guys, but I think I did it. Aren't they supposed to come with one of those droppers or something? Okay, they're not perfect. So these are them. Can you see them? They're not too shabby. I'm sorry, I'm a mess. Dang it, I dropped the box. The next thing says, make gyoza dumpling. Divide remaining dough in quarters. Spread one dough evenly to match the shape and size of the packaging pouch guide. So how are you guys doing? I don't know how kids would be able to do this. Is this not made for kids? Wait, what? What? Wait, what? Oh, Oh, okay, I did it wrong, so now I have to restart. So what you do is get this and you mold it into 4 balls. I'm an idiot. I don't know how long ago it stopped recording, but it did. So basically, I found out that you were supposed to split the dough in half and then make it into 4 balls and then squish it and then put it into the gyoza molding. It was really hard to mold at first, but now it's like much easier. See, look at that. So cute. Wait, we got gyozas and spring rolls? Dang, I didn't know it was all this. Fill space on each side with powder from red packet. They're like sprinkles, kinda. This is what they look like. I'm gonna taste it. Whoa. That's weird. That's good though. I probably shouldn't have ate that big handful. Just maybe though. It's kind of tearing. Okay, now with the toothpick, I'm gonna remake the lines because they came out really crappy. Oh my god, cute. Look how cute my first gyoza is. Isn't it good? I sure can't cook, but I can pop in cooking. What? I can't cook, but I can make these. Let's make the second one. Make it real fat. Yes. Look it. I messed up a little bit on the left side. It's still cuter than the other one, I think. Okay, we're gonna set this off to the side with the other one. We're making spring rolls. I wonder how we're gonna make the ramen. So for this, we're going into more of a burrito type of looking thing. See, I don't know what kind of spring rolls they're rolling, because the ones I've seen are tucked on the outsides and theirs is not. So I'm gonna do it the way I know how to make spring rolls because Miss Joyner taught me. That's my middle school culinary teacher, by the way. Actually, funny story, I had to sit out for some reason. I don't even know why. It was so stupid while we were making spring rolls. It was really messed up. It was really stupid. I deserved to be able to make spring rolls. And I had to sit out with this guy. I'm not gonna say his name. People who know. He had to sit out with me because he had thrown a piece of ground beef at this kid. But like the kid ducked at last minute and it hit the teacher in the face. Oh man, that's pure comedy if you ask me. This candy is good. It like melts in your mouth. Oh yeah, that looks like a burrito for sure. Okay, let's make the last spring roll. And then we can make the noodles. Noodles. I'm excited to eat this. I'm really hungry. But it's not like this is gonna be appetizing. I figured out that it is candy. Does it say how long it's supposed to take? Because it's taken me a while. Okay, one I made into a burrito looking thing, the other one not so much. And we got all this extra candy. I don't think a kid would be able to make this. I am 17 and it's taken me a while. So next it's time for the ramen. It says pour water up to the line on the music tray. Add powder from the brown packet. And it really does look like beef ramen water. Oh my god, it tastes like Coca-Cola kind of. Wow, interesting. Interesting indeed. Part one again. Are you joking me, bro? They better be joking me. It says to put it in this bag, but like it said fill the tray up and then put the packet. How am I supposed to do this whenever there's freaking liquid right next over? How am I supposed to do this? Is this supposed to harden or something? It better, because how am I supposed to get this out of here? Come on. Idiots. They should have done the ramen first and then the disgusting brown water. How am I supposed to do this, huh? What? Oh, so I think this is supposed to harden. Are you freaking kidding me? It stopped recording again. So I don't know what you guys last saw. I finished the egg. Look how cute it is. So very proud of this part. And I tasted some of the yellow stuff and it's actually pretty nasty. So I'm kind of making a mess. It should have came with like a mini bowl. Oh, look at that. It looks like ramen noodles. It's literally like ramen, guys. It's so crazy. I'm a cook. So how are you supposed to get this out? Look at the pudding. That's so cute. Aww. Look how cute that is. Oh my god, this is great. I got this little plate thing. Chef Boyardee who. Okay guys, I am finished. I don't want to spill this. So here's my presentation. You can see we got the 2 spring rolls, the 2 gyozas, our mango pudding, and our ramen with the egg in it. And it looks super cute. I'm super proud of myself. How did they do it? Time to taste test it. It took me about an hour to an hour and a half to do this. I mean, maybe I'm just a crackhead, but I don't think a kid would be able to do this. If you want to find out on the next episode. But who knows, man. Subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so that way you can get notified when episode 2 of Cooking with Crackheads comes out. Let's taste this. First, I'm gonna try the ramen noodles. Bone apple teeth. It's weird. Like, it looks like ramen, so I'm expecting it to taste like ramen. But when I actually bite it, it's like sweet and soda-y. And cold. Nope, don't like that. Let's taste it with the egg. Nope, don't like that either. That's a hard no for me. Let's taste the mango pudding. Okay, it's not as bad, but it's like the texture is kind of gross. Yeah. Okay, I'll give the ramen a 2 out of 10 because that was pretty gross. The mango thing, I'll give a 7 out of 10 because of the texture. Let's taste the gyoza now. Whoa. Whoa, that was good. And this is gonna taste the exact same, but let's taste it anyway. Honestly, I think my burrito one looks better than theirs. No tea, no shade. I really like the candy inside of those. I'll give those 10 out of all things. They were the best things. We gotta finish it. Woo, subscribe. Oh my god, that is disgusting. Ugh, I just got the chills. I'm done. I hope you guys liked this video of episode 1 of Cooking with Crackheads. Except it's only one crackhead right here. I don't do drugs. Don't do drugs, kids. I do not promote or support drugs in any way. So that being said, it's just a name. Don't get offended. Don't be like Karen over there. Subscribe, like, comment. Oh, and I can't believe I took a shot of that disgusting stuff for you. I just almost threw that all up. The Cooking with Crackheads is not specifically for poppin' cooking. It's also for real food. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.